Alright,
Hi.
so we are about to do something stupid. It's like probably like 8 o'clock in the night. Probably 9. Okay. It's pouring out.
It's raining out, and I'm gonna push her in a car.
And
we're gonna
I'm in a cart.
And we don't have any umbrellas.
Yeah.
So
So
it's
we're
not gonna
gonna
be too
soak
pretty.
ourselves out. Alright.
And she's gonna get it on camera because we're just that cool and we're that bored.
Yeah. Alright. So
Okay.
adventure. And go.
Huh?
Go to the freaking bus stop! You gotta stop! You can't go down, you moron! Alright, there's no way out! Okay.
I don't know where the bus stop is.
We don't know where to go. So, we're just going out somewhere to have fun. Ready? Boom! Alright, come on. Take me out of the parking lot, dude. Alright.
We need a bus stop.
Come on.
I saw the bus stop.
Alright, then go to the damn parking lot. Get out. Hopefully this damn shit doesn't stop. And birthday!
Keep it from getting wet! Puddles!
No more puddles. Holy shit! I need to find the bus stop.
I want you
You want me. I need you to need me. I love you. I'm begging you to beg me. Sitting at to put on a brand new shirt. Wake up early from work. 'Cause you say that you love me. Didn't I see you crying? Oh, didn't I see you crying? When you're left alone with your friends, I'm feeling sad, blah, blah, blah. I'm getting goddamn wet and we can't find a stupid bus stop.
across the street in a shop cart.
Dude, we don't have a bus stop, dude.
Yeah, we do. I
No.
see it. I just gotta find a way to it.
Yeah, you want me to kill myself? You want me to die? Oh my god, the car is turning this way. The car is turning this way, dude.
How are we gonna get out there?
Where's the bus stop at?
Across the street.
Alright, I say we get out of the shopping
ready?
cart. I say we get...
Car move. I'm gonna run. Ready? Let's go!
No!
Oh my god, I'm
Alright.
dying here. Alright, here we go.
Alright. Alright. Dude, I'm seriously getting all wet.
And the night
Has come.
and the land